Smart locks offer an innovative and convenient solution to traditional key-based entry systems, revolutionizing home security. With their seamless integration into the smart home ecosystem, these devices provide homeowners with peace of mind and enhanced control. One notable advantage of smart locks is their versatility. They can be controlled remotely via a smartphone app, enabling users to lock and unlock their doors from anywhere. This is especially useful for granting access to guests or service providers when you're not at home. Additionally, many smart locks offer advanced security features, such as biometric authentication and tamper alerts, bolstering protection against unauthorized access. Some models even integrate with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing for effortless voice commands. Installation is typically straightforward, making smart locks accessible to most users. However, compatibility with your existing door and lock system may require consideration. In conclusion, smart locks combine convenience, security, and modern technology seamlessly, offering homeowners a worthwhile investment in home automation and safety. Hello! Watch our video for in-depth smart lock reviews, gain insights on top models, and make informed choices that suit your requirements. Stay up to date and select from the finest options available in the market. ULTRALOQ, a leading smart lock brand, has secured the 5th position in our rankings, confirming the reliability of our evaluation process. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Wi-Fi smart lock is a standout addition to the world of smart home security. Offering a blend of advanced features, top-notch security, and user-friendly functionality, it's an impressive choice for homeowners. One of its most notable features is the flexibility it offers in terms of access control. With multiple unlocking options, including smartphone app access, fingerprint recognition, keypad entry, and even a traditional key backup, it caters to various preferences. This versatility makes it ideal for families and homeowners who want to grant temporary access to guests or service providers remotely. The U-Bolt also integrates seamlessly with your existing smart home ecosystem, thanks to its Wi-Fi connectivity. You can manage and monitor your lock remotely, receive real-time notifications, and even integrate it with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free control. Security is paramount with this smart lock. Its AES 256 encryption ensures data protection, while the anti-peep keypad adds an extra layer of security by allowing you to enter random digits before your actual code. Installation is relatively straightforward, and the accompanying app is user-friendly. However, ensure compatibility with your door before purchasing. In conclusion, the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a feature-packed and secure addition to your smart home, offering convenience, versatility, and peace of mind in one sleek package. Kwikset has solidified its reputation as a prominent player in the smart lock industry, securing the 4th position in our rankings. This achievement underscores the brand's consistent excellence and unwavering commitment to quality. The Kwikset app empowers users with seamless control over their deadbolt locks directly from their smartphones. Leveraging Wi-Fi connectivity, this smart lock allows you to transmit commands through the app to the TEEHO smart lock. Whether you're locking or unlocking, the TEEHO promptly responds, and you receive confirmation of the action on your smartphone. With this smart lock, the convenience is unparalleled. If you ever find yourself wondering whether you locked the door, worry not. You can remotely lock it using the Kwikset app from anywhere with an internet connection. Plus, you can keep track of arrivals by checking the lock history via the app when connected to Wi-Fi on your smartphone. Managing access codes has never been easier. The Kwikset app lets you create, delete, or modify user codes from anywhere. It offers 4 different access code schedules to cater to various needs. The one-time user code, limited by weekday and time, everyday code, and date range code options provide flexibility for granting access to contractors, housekeepers, family members, and vacationers. In summary, Kwikset's TEEHO Smart Lock is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence, offering advanced features and unparalleled convenience for homeowners looking to enhance their security and control. Securing the third spot on our list, the ULTRALOQ Smart Lock stands out for its impressive array of safety and convenience features. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock is a standout product that combines cutting-edge technology with robust security features, making it a top contender in the smart lock market. With a sleek design and a range of advanced functionalities, it offers convenience and peace of mind to homeowners. One of its standout features is the multiple access options it provides. You can unlock your door through the smartphone app, a fingerprint scan, keypad entry, auto unlock, or even a mechanical key as a backup. This versatility makes it suitable for various situations, from granting temporary access to guests to enjoying keyless entry yourself. The U-Bolt Pro also stands out for its enhanced security features. It uses a 128-bit AES encryption to protect your data and employs a dual data encryption method for an added layer of security. The anti-peep keypad allows you to enter random digits before your actual code, preventing would-be intruders from guessing your PIN. Integration with your smart home ecosystem is seamless, thanks to built-in Wi-Fi. You can remotely manage and monitor your lock, receive real-time notifications, and even control it using voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Installation is straightforward and generally suitable for DIY enthusiasts. However, it's crucial to verify compatibility with your door before purchasing. In conclusion, the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock excels in both security and convenience, making it an excellent choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's access control. Its versatility, advanced features, and sleek design set it apart in the smart lock market. TEEHO holds the impressive second position in our esteemed lineup, showcasing its innovative smart lock. The TEEHO TE001 keyless entry door lock with keypad is a remarkable addition to the world of home security, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and convenience that elevates your door's access control. One of the standout features of this smart lock is its versatile entry methods. It provides multiple ways to unlock your door, including a backlit touchscreen keypad, RFID cards, and a mechanical key as a backup. The keypad's backlight ensures easy access even in low-light conditions, and the RFID card option is a convenient alternative for those who prefer not to remember codes. The TE001 is designed with security in mind. It uses advanced encryption to safeguard your access data, ensuring your home remains protected. The anti-peep keypad feature lets you enter random digits before your actual code, thwarting any attempts to decipher your PIN. Installation is relatively straightforward, and it's compatible with standard door sizes and configurations, making it accessible for most homeowners. Furthermore, the TE001 can be integrated into your smart home ecosystem with ease. While it doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect it to a separate smart hub for remote control and monitoring. This allows you to lock or unlock your door remotely, receive real-time notifications, and even integrate it with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. In conclusion, the TEEHO TE001 keyless entry door lock offers a well-rounded package of security and convenience. ULTRALOQ, a symbol of excellence in our curated smart lock collection, solidifies its unmatched leadership in this field. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock is a game-changer in the realm of smart home security, offering a comprehensive suite of features that blend cutting-edge technology with robust security measures. This smart lock excels in convenience, versatility, and protection. One of the standout features is its multiple unlocking methods, providing flexibility for homeowners. You can access your home using your smartphone, fingerprint recognition, a keypad, or a traditional key. This array of options ensures you can choose the method that suits your needs, whether it's granting temporary access to guests or enjoying keyless entry for yourself. Security is paramount, and the U-Bolt Pro delivers. It employs 128-bit AES encryption to safeguard your data, and its anti-peep keypad adds an extra layer of security by allowing you to enter random digits before your actual code. Integration with your smart home ecosystem is seamless, thanks to built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. This enables remote control and monitoring through the smartphone app, real-time notifications, and compatibility with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible for most users, although it's essential to check compatibility with your door before purchase. In summary, the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock offers a harmonious blend of security and convenience. Its versatility, advanced features, and sleek design make it an exceptional choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's access control while enjoying peace of mind. We extend heartfelt thanks for your pivotal role in advancing smart locks. Your unwavering support and valuable feedback drive our innovation. Your active involvement is central to our success, and we genuinely appreciate your continuous contributions.